Hey, what's up? Name is Soulstar or Rich. How you doing? Today I want to talk about stream I did yesterday, which is the celebration of Megaman Battlenetwork, which is having its 20th anniversary this year, and it's like it's came out in 2001. It's a great game for the GBA, and it was really fun. I used to play as a kid. I was like a teenager when that came out, but I had a lot of fun, man. And I'm an old man now, but I don't care. I still look young, and I'm gonna go with it. Right here in this video, as you see right now, see that guy right there? That dude looks kind of like me. That's me actually from yesterday live stream. I'm gonna speed up a little bit here. It's when I did the design for Megaman Battlenetwork, and I did one for Megaman, Roll, and Protoman. Those are the characters. And as you can see here, I'm going through the motion, making sure I got the contour right, the shape right. I didn't get a chance to finish it last night on stream, so it is what it is. But I got pretty far though. I originally was gonna have Proman staying on his back facing the audience, but I decided to change to the front instead because he looks cooler that way. It's Protoman, got this cool ass lizard sword and shit. Man, I love that lizard sword. It's too good. Anyway, as you can see, I was going through the coloring and all that. Make sure everything looks good. Make sure everything looks good and all that. Blah, blah, blah. And that's part of the part where I have to stop the stream. And then, as you can see here, I started my own today, right here. And I made sure to make it look good. So I restarted. I got all this done, and I got that done, and that done. Went in, did the lighting, the darkness, shadows, all that stuff. As you can see here, I added in the color balance to kind of help me. We'll see that with the mood lighting and all that. So I originally didn't have a background, but I decided to just go with mood lighting and just say they're in the cave or something. Because it's always like the story of the game was basically they're in the internet, basically. Think The Matrix, if that helps. The Matrix starring Mega Man. There you go. So Mega Man we count as Neo or the One. And as you can see, I increased the colors, made everything look good, shaded out everything. I did a lot of work on Protoman's hair. That took some effort. I was trying to decide what looks more saturated, and I finally decided on this version right here. So here it is. Boom. As you can see, I did best I could with it. And I got every single character I possibly could. So there's Roll, Mega Man, and Protoman right there in the front. And I increased the saturation and lighting to make the laser sword and Mega Man's Buster look really good. And I added in a little last minute thing for Roll's headlight thing around her head. I don't know what the fuck it is, some kind of hoop thing. But it's the internet back in 2001, so there you go. And yeah. And if you wish to see more videos with my stuff, I'm gonna leave a link probably somewhere on this screens here. You'll find it. And I hope you enjoy the video. And I hope to have more talks about it. But want to talk more on Mega Man? You can say in the comments. Do whatever you want. I'm just making sure look everything good. And I'll leave links for my Etsy store and Patreon, blah blah blah, and have my art commissions are up as well. I'll put that in the description as well. Okay, take care, guys. All right, bye bye.